Grandpa, can I ask you something?
Of course, my boy. What is it?
I was wondering what you were doing when you were my age. Were you also playing games and watching TV like me?
Well, times were different back then. When I was your age, I was not watching TV like you. I was spending most of my time outside, playing with friends. We were always running around in the fields, climbing trees, and riding bicycles.
That sounds like fun. But did you ever get bored without all the cool games and shows we have now?
Oh, no! I was not getting bored at all. There was always something to do. I remember, on weekends, I was helping my father with the animals. We were feeding the chickens, cleaning the barn, and fixing the fences. I think we were always busy.
What about school? Were you studying a lot?
Yes, we were studying, but it was not like today. There were not so many subjects. I was mostly learning math, history, and geography. During breaks, we were playing outside. Sometimes we were throwing a ball or chasing each other. We were enjoying the simple things.
Wow, it sounds so different. When you were in school, were you getting homework like I do?
Oh yes, I was getting homework, but not as much as you. In the evenings, after school, I was not doing much homework. I was helping my mother in the kitchen or my father with the farm work. But when the weather was bad, I was staying inside and reading books.
Were you reading for fun or because you had to?
A little bit of both. Sometimes I was reading adventure stories just for fun. Other times, I was reading my school books because I had to study for exams. But I was not studying all the time. I was also playing board games with my siblings.
Did you have TV back then?
We had a small black and white TV, but it was not on very often. My father did not like it when we were watching TV too much. He was always saying that we should be outside, getting fresh air. So, when the sun was shining, we were not sitting inside watching TV.
That's interesting. Were your parents strict about playing outside?
Yes, they were. If the weather was nice, we were spending the whole day outside. My mother was always telling us, "You should be outside, running and playing." She was not letting us stay inside for too long. We were either playing in the yard or exploring the woods.
What kind of games were you playing?
We were playing many games. Sometimes we were playing hide and seek. Other times, we were pretending to be pirates or cowboys. I remember once, we were building a fort out of sticks and pretending to defend it. We were using our imaginations a lot.
I wish I could see that. Were you building things often?
Yes, we were always building something. Whether it was a treehouse or a small fort, we were always making things with our hands. I remember one summer, we were building a treehouse for weeks. We were not just playing, we were learning how to hammer nails and saw wood.
That sounds awesome. Were you working on projects like that all the time?
Not all the time, but when we had an idea, we were working on it together. Sometimes we were starting a project and then forgetting about it when something more exciting came up. But we were always creating something.
Did you get in trouble a lot for playing too much?
Oh, sometimes. If we were not doing our chores, my father was getting angry. He was always telling us, "You should be working, not playing." So, we were making sure to finish our chores before we started playing. But once, I remember, we were not doing our chores, and we got in big trouble.
What happened?
Well, we were supposed to be cleaning the barn, but instead, we were running around and playing tag. My father came back and saw that we were not doing our work. He was not happy at all. We had to spend the rest of the day finishing our chores.
That must have been tough. Were you upset when that happened?
At the time, yes. But we were learning our lesson. After that, we were not skipping our chores anymore. My father was strict, but he was fair. He was always teaching us to work hard.
Did you have any pets when you were a kid?
Yes, we had a dog and a few cats. I was taking care of the dog most of the time. I remember, I was always feeding him and playing with him after school. He was my best friend. We were running through the fields together. Sometimes we were sitting under a tree, just watching the clouds.
That sounds nice. Were you spending a lot of time with your dog?
Yes, I was. Whenever I was not doing my homework or chores, I was spending time with him. We were exploring the woods, chasing squirrels, and sometimes even swimming in the river. He was always by my side.
What was his name?
His name was Max. He was a loyal dog, always following me around. Even when I was working on the farm, he was sitting nearby, watching me.
Were you sad when you lost him?
Yes, it was one of the saddest days of my life. He was old, and I knew he was not going to live forever, but it was still hard. I was missing him a lot. For weeks, I was not playing outside as much because I felt lonely without him.
I can imagine. But it sounds like you had a lot of good memories with him.
Yes, I do. Even though I was sad, I was remembering all the good times we had together. Sometimes, when I was feeling down, I was thinking about those days when we were running and playing together.
Grandpa, were you always living on a farm?
Yes, I was. I was growing up on the farm, and even when I was older, I was not leaving. I was helping my father with the farm work until I was an adult. Then, I was running the farm myself.
So, were you always working on the farm?
Yes, most of the time. When I was not in school, I was working on the farm. But I was not just working. I was also enjoying nature, spending time with my family, and learning how to take care of animals. It was hard work, but I was enjoying it.
Did you ever think about moving to the city?
Sometimes, yes. But I was not really interested in living in the city. I was enjoying the peace and quiet of the countryside. Even when my friends were moving to the city, I was not feeling like I needed to go.
Were you happier living on the farm?
Yes, I was. I was not needing much to be happy. The simple life was enough for me. I was enjoying the fresh air, the wide open spaces, and the feeling of freedom.
That's really nice. I think I would like living on a farm too.
Maybe one day, you will. But for now, you should enjoy your games and TV. Just remember to spend some time outside, like I was doing when I was your age. There's nothing better than a bit of fresh air and sunshine.
I will, Grandpa. Thanks for sharing your stories with me.
You're welcome, my boy. Anytime you want to hear more, just ask.